Hello fellow locksmith friends. Today, I'd like to introduce to everyone how to make a KDX4 key for the 2023 BMW X3. And this one is the original car key. The wires have already been This FGB key can be used for BMW CAS4, CAS4 Plus, BMW G, and BMW U. This vehicle belongs to the BDC 03 category under BMW G. Now access the corresponding matching function to perform the matching. This is the test version, so we need to access the test path. If it's the official version, you can directly access this one. We are accessing the test version now. Select BMW, select BDC 03. Now let's first take a look at the wiring diagram. This is a key wiring diagram for BDC 03. The original car key is the same, and the wires have already been connected. Below is another wiring diagram for the BMW U chassis. Now we will use this programming wiring harness. Select Add Key. OK. Now place the original car key into the induction coil of the KDX4. OK. Select Read NCF29AX chip data. OK. Start execution. Now the file has been read out. Click OK to save. This file can also be directly used next time you need to add this type of key. Then remove the original car key and insert the FGB key. OK. Remove the original car key. Insert the FGB key. OK. Generation successful. Now let's test the remote control function. The remote control works normally. The engine starts normally. All functions are normal.